that one. Okay, it's recording.
Seriously, only one?
Sure, there's gonna be more.
Here it is.
One.
Let me pan a little bit.
With the pen.
Like go side to side. Oh.
Oh, we missed that one. Oh, there was one way over there.
Just can't go past that gate.
You get that one?
I don't know.
Yeah, you would have gotten it. See if there's a tower, and it was like right beside the tower, so you got it.
I'm gonna back out a little bit.
Oh, like back out so you get like a whole field.
You get that one?
Yep.
There's like tons of them.
Oh, the other one like an upside down arch.
Oh, that one was nice.
You get that one?
Yeah.
Man, it is dark over there.
Wonder where that is actually.
Tower?
No, like where lightning was hit.
Like Tomahawk.
How would you know?
It's over Lake Tomahawk.
Yeah. No, Tomahawk, not Lake Tomahawk.
Just Tomahawk.
Yeah, it's that way. Tomahawk's that way. So that's like Minocqua, Eagle River.
Oh,
Yeah,
you see that one?
Yeah.
I missed one.
Just look.
Just look in the sky, don't watch the camera. Oh,
You get that one?
oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that was cool too.
That was a double.
That's like the original lightning strike where he goes like flashes like 5 times. Whoa! You see that?
There was one there.
Yeah.
Upside down arch.
So the heat.
Oh, that was
I
2 in a
got
row.
that, yeah.
So the heat causes humidity to go up and create water in the clouds and make it rain.
Yeah.
Are we just gonna keep going till the battery dies?
Why? I'm enjoying just watching the weather.
No, I'm just asking.
Oh, that was good. Oh, there's one way over there. We're not hearing any thunder so far.
It's, oh, that was a nice one.
I missed it.
I didn't.
Ooh, that was close.
How am I bleeding?
I don't know.
Mosquito bite?
No, I'm not. I'm not having any itches.
Oh, the bugs are attacking me.
Can I go lean
Ambulance.
on? Can I go lean on the thingy?
Yeah, go watch.
The ambulance.
Yeah.
Someone told me that stuff.
Probably like Way over there.
Oh man,
Alright,
missed
what?
that one.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
Way over there.
The clouds are coming this way.
Yeah, little by little. Yeah.
It's like it's kind of going like towards that way. Like, I just want to see one hit the tower. Wouldn't that be funny?